What's up guys, my name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you, well actually today we're going to try, I'm not going to show you because I don't know if this is going to work out well. Today I'm going to try to make a gingerbread cake. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to combine half a cup of softened butter, going to add to that half a cup of white sugar, and we're going to mix that until it's nice and combined and fluffy. Cool. Now's the cool part. This is my first time like working with molasses and it is so cool, honestly. Like look at that, man. It's just black, that's it. Just dark. It doesn't taste very good though. It just tastes like bad raisins, I guess. So now we just want to pour, what is this? 1 full cup of molasses into this mixture. Look at that, dude. Look how black that is. It's so cool. Well, now it says to mix in the molasses. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Hopefully it doesn't break my mixer. Wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so pretty. It's just still smells like raisins, which, I mean, if you love raisins, stay away from molasses because you will probably just eat that entire jar. Next thing we need to do is we need to grab a sieve or a sifter. I don't know what it's called, but a sifter and a bowl, and we want to pour in 2.5 cups of flour. Crap, I just got molasses mixture in there. It's fine. 2.5 cups of flour, and you want to sift that. There we go. Woo! 2.5 cups of flour, sifted. Okay, so there's a long list here. So 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. I couldn't find any. I know we have some, but it just left the building. I don't know where that went. Half a teaspoon of ground cloves and half teaspoon of salt. So we just want to pour all that in. And we want to sift that as well. Cool, now everything is all sifted and powdery and we just want to mix that up. Dude, cloves just smells like straight Christmas and I love that. It's giving me so many good memories. There we go, it's all like a light brown now because of the cinnamon. That's definitely gonna change everything's color. Cool, so now we blend it into our first mixture, the brown mixture, I guess. And I'm just gonna take some and mix it in slowly. God, it's a really thick mixture. Really thick, as you can see. It's kind of starting to become a dough, which is kind of cool. It's interesting. There we go. Add some more. When I say some more, I mean almost all of it. There we go. Look how thick that is, man. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so now we're gonna add the rest of our flour. I added it in thirds, didn't really measure it, but you know, just eyeball it. All right, so now, the thing that will probably loosen this up is 1 cup of hot water. Straight in and mix that up. It looks really nice. It's really smooth and glossy. Oh my gosh, I've been looking for this cake for so long, honestly. I've been looking for it for years because I tried it once at a party. I've always wanted to have it again, but I never got the name of the cake. And this was like at least 10 years ago. And we have to butter this pan. I'm gonna grab some butter. And now we need to flour it. My flour is over here. Now, okay, finally get to pour the batter in. Whoa, just ribbons. I was about to say chocolate, but it's really not. So now what we have to do is we have to put this in an oven that is preheated to 350 degrees, 175 Celsius, and whatever gas mark it is. I'll put it like right here for 1 hour. I know it's a long time, but it hopefully is worth it. Please let this be the right cake. If not, I'm probably screwed, but it's fine, we're good. Just slide it on in. 1 hour uncovered, straight into the oven, 350, 175, whatever gas mark this is. I will see you in an hour. Bye. Actually, no, I'll see you when it's cold. Okay, so this cake is honestly one of the best cakes that I've made. It is so fluffy, so rich, and it's so moist. Like, honestly, I didn't think it would be good because it would be in the oven for an hour, but wow. Okay. As you can see on top, I put a little bit of just regular vanilla icing, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. I will leave the recipe in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.